Howdy, howdy, and welcome to TNT Evilution, Map 20, Central Processing. There we go. We got a bit of a hot start there, and this is also probably the biggest and longest map in all of TNT, so I'm going to try to get through it as quickly as I can, show all the secrets, get all the kills. We are pistol starting on Ultra Violence. So I'm gonna pick off. Oh my. Good God. Okay, that scared the living. This is not the order I do this in. Normally I take them out, grab a shotgun, and then turn to take them out. But I alerted that chain gunner. Alright. If I'm very careful, I still might be able to salvage this run. So we're gonna take out everything in this room. The hit scanners, the imps. And then we're gonna come to this door. Get rid of this imp, and then this chain gunner. I'm going to try to keep the door open for a second, because once it shuts, it stays closed. There we go. Alright, we should be good now. There we go. There's going to be a shotgunner and an imp to the left. Take out the shotgunner first. Then the imp. And then right around this corner is a lost soul, so I'm gonna super shotgun him. Shotgun all the imps that come towards me. Get all the bonuses that I can. And all of the spare shells that are laying around. I'm going to try to speed up a little bit. This is a long map. I want to get through it as quickly as possible. I also don't want to move too quick and get myself in some kind of trouble. Alright, 64 health. That ain't bad. Looks like we've got 8 shells still here. Alright, we're going to go hit this teleporter, and before I go through, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn around immediately as soon as you go through. So, turn around, get rid of that shotgunner. He blasted me before I even had a chance. Alright, now there should be an imp here. And an imp here, and then a shotgunner and a Hell Knight. Alright, now we're gonna open this. Try to get them to infight. Say, how did that not hit him? It did, thank God. Get rid of that chain gunner for me. 7 health. It's always more exciting when you're low on health. I'm gonna go get this chainsaw real fast. He's still not killed him. Okay. Oh my God. There we go. I was like, what is happening right now? This is a Baron. Took quite a bit of time. 7 health though. I really didn't want a chance. Alright. Now I'm going to take the chain gun out. I'm going to go up here, collect these shells, and then hop into our first secret of 7. Get the super shotgun out. Trying not to take a chance there. Alright. Man, we are in trouble here, aren't we? Alright. So, I'm gonna lower this down. Get rid of the lost soul. Hopefully let that chain gunner that's up there wander away so he doesn't blast me the second I reveal myself. Alright. Now there's our second secret, riding up this lift. We'll get rid of the 3 chain gunners, and then I'm gonna hug this wall, inch our way over. And get rid of that Revenant. Took more bullets than I would have liked for it to, but that's alright. Gonna go up, get the BFG, shoot this switch, hop on over, grab some cells and some health, and then we're going to go through this teleporter for a backpack. We're going to grab a stim pack and then all this ammo. At least we're back to decent health. And I believe that is everything in here for now, unless I can... Weirdly enough, I swear I've gotten that, both the shotgun and the rocket. The shotgunner died in a weird spot this time, though. That's alright. I swear I've gotten it by running into it, I mean, because you can get it later in the map through normal means, but I'm gonna go collect the shells that I missed and that bonus. And then go deal with a bunch of enemies. To be a shotgunner. I don't know where he went. Kind of worry he's gonna come up behind me. I knew you were over here. Alright, we want to alert one pain elemental. There's another one hiding over there. Where are you at? Man, I don't have time for this. Alright, there's the other one. Okay, that turned hairy real quick. You need to die, like now. Okay, I think that's all of them. We're gonna make the stairs here to come to about this point, and then go right back down, and the wall will have lowered. Grab all the ammo. Kill this cacodemon and this lost soul. We're gonna get that health. Getting stuck on stuff. Get that health. Lower this pillar. We're gonna go up. Then right back down to get rid of some chain gunners. Should be one more. And then we're gonna go back up. To get a stim pack, a box of bullets, another box of bullets, and that will save us one box right there, which we'll probably get later. For now, though, we're gonna flip the switch, get rid of this pain elemental as fast as possible. There we go. That went about as good as it could have. I'm gonna get rid of this chain gunner now, so he doesn't surprise me while I'm collecting all of the goodies here. Then I'm gonna get the chain gun back out. They about just straight up firing squatted me right there. Alright. So, that's everything in this section. You know what? I'm gonna go back. I am gonna go back for those bullets now, before I get further away. Alright, we got them, and let's move on. I'm also gonna go up here and collect these. It's really just a time waster, to be honest, but I did not expect him to be on that. But I might as well grab them. Chain gun is pretty useful in this map, especially at this part here. I did not need to ride this down, but oh well. Alright, let's go hit what we missed. Did that get all three of them with one shot? There's a berserk that I am going to save. I will take these shells. Alright. Clear out that room, then I'm gonna head back here. I'm actually gonna get out the VFG. I am going to shoot 2 shots after we step on this. Alright. And now once we approach the top of the stairs, it's gonna open behind us. So we want to turn around and get rid of everything. Really? Alright, you are really sturdy, I guess. Yeah, we do not want that box of shells yet. That would be a total waste. That one would too. We do want these bullets, and can't get that chain gun. I'll come back for it later. Oh, good lord. I forgot that this opens down here. Most of them will have killed each other, it seems. So we're gonna go in here. I'm gonna take the berserk, and then we're gonna step into the teleporter. No, not the chainsaw, the chain gun. Okay. That was almost bad. Alright, I think he got rid of that imp for me. He did. Aw, are you kidding me? Man, that thing like locked onto me. Alright, what's back here? Nice, perfect. It's like almost exactly as much health as I was missing. We're gonna come back here. Get rid of the Revenant. We got really lucky with a low damage roll. Thought I could get it off before he fired, but apparently not. What in the heck was I stuck on right there? Alright, we're gonna get rid of all the enemies. I took more damage there than I definitely should have. I'm gonna go into here. Get rid of the shotgunners. Then I'm gonna take the partial invisibility. And then I'm gonna kill all the imps down here. Should be just imps from what I remember. Yeah, it's just imps. And this part always gets me. Because of GZDoom, I land on top of them. But if I wasn't playing in GZDoom, they would just block me and I wouldn't be able to go down at all. So I don't know what you're meant to do right there. We're gonna get the blue key, pick up that ammo. I'll take these shells and leave those ones. Take that health, I reckon. Kill that imp. Should be one more imp. Up here. Oh man. I forgot. I wasn't moving fast enough and I ran out of radiation suit. That's okay. We don't have to go far and I can replenish my health there. I do want this box of rockets. And then over here, invulnerability sphere. And our third secret, and then our fourth secret will be right here. Not sure why this is tagged as 2 different secrets. I think it's kind of a mess up. Did you hear that? Does it sound like a door opening? Not sure what that was. Either way, I want to get this over with. This video is going to be long enough anyways. So, get rid of him. Come into here. Get rid of the pinkies. Get rid of everything in here. Including the Revenant and the Mancubus. Then we're going to lower this center platform, which will give us the Mega Armor. Nice. Then I'm just going to get rid of all the enemies in this circular area. Collect all of the ammo that I can find. Oh yeah, this goes back to where we were earlier. I believe that's everything. Yep. Alright, so now we're gonna go over here. Oh yeah. Shoot that switch. Head into here. Kill us a spider. Spider hunting. Then we're gonna collect a box of rockets and at last a rocket launcher to use them. We're gonna press this discolored wall for a secret. And press this discolored wall for another secret, which brings us to 6 out of 7. We have 1 secret remaining. And we are going to take this invulnerability spear, and then we are going to head straight out this door. The new key we just got. I'm gonna ignore him for now. I'm gonna get rid of all the chain gunners that are up on these ledges, because they are incredibly annoying. Then I'm gonna focus on the imps. You should have left that one. That one imp was infighting, and I definitely should have left him alone. I'm gonna get rid of pretty much everything out here, starting with the hit scanners, then moving to the imps. I'll help you out. There. We did it. Yay. Now it's mutiny. And I'll get rid of the imps that just helped me take down. That's how it's gotta be, though. Going for all kills. Alright, so now we're gonna drop down. I'm gonna collect all of this stuff. Are you still up here? Where are you? Oh, good lord, I forgot about you. I'm gonna get rid of this arch file as fast as we can. I don't want that. Are you still up there? Doesn't look like it. Give us some plasma, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. Why not? Oh, good lord, that Revenant's already shooting at me. Damn, that's awful fast. Gonna get rid of all of the imps here. Oh, good lord. Including that one. And I'm gonna go get rid of this Revenant right now. Actually, no. Get rid of the hit scanners. Then I'll get rid of this Revenant. Please stay on the lift. Alright, there we go. Now we're going to tag our final secret, which will be at the top here. There we go. Which is a rocket launcher and a teleporter that I'm not sure I want to take yet. Actually, what I want to do... What do I want to do? I want to take this teleporter right here. Grab these shells too, why not? There we go. Because I wanted that soul sphere. Gonna get rid of all the imps, make sure we got them all. Then we're gonna drop down. Get rid of the chain gunner and the shotgunner. Oh, I forgot about you. Oh, I saw you. Oh no, I didn't see you. Oh no! Good lord, that was close. Alright. Now we want to get rid of... I want to get rid of you. Oh! I see a chain gunner and mama spider over there. There we go. Alright. Oh my god. No, 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 no. still have another 100 cells to pick up in that secret back that way. I'm gonna run through the water though, because I think there's some kills we've missed, including a pain elemental. You gotta be hurt. Really? So quite a bit more damage than I thought. Coming? No? Okay. Looked like he was just like charging in place. Should be some rockets right around here. There we go. Alright, now let's get our hiney in gear so we can get this map over with. Okay, let's go up here. Lower this. I don't remember if there's any monsters along this path. Am I safe to take this teleporter? I'm not sure. I think I will. I don't think there's any monsters along here, is there? Surely I would have seen them. There are some rockets. I might as well grab them. Even though I doubt I will use all of them. Yeah, we only have 8. We only have 8 enemies left. I think we're safe. Yeah, we're safe. Bullets? Sure. Alright, let's go. It's kind of pointless. Now I just have to do a double trek. I should have just ran this to begin with, but oh well. I got some rockets and some bullets out of it. That is very dangerous. I'll do this. Bada boom. We'll go through here just to collect all the goodies. Collect this health. Anything else? No? And then here we are, back at this room, where we got that rocket, and then we're back to where we were. Alright, let's continue. Oh yeah, I forget. Something lowers that, right? Or we end up over there at some point. 6 enemies! Kind of surprised that I'm gonna finish this on my first attempt. Okay, it's here that we go up. Oh, this is chain gunner. Oh, good God. That is all of the enemies and all of the secrets. Look at that skybox, too. Pretty cool skybox, actually. Right, we're gonna drop down here. I forget which way. Not that way. Good Lord, this is gonna be a long one. I anticipated that from the very beginning, though. I was like, this is a very long map from what I remember. Maybe the longest one. Certainly the biggest, I think. Oh, and then there we go. There's the exit. Oh, we got all the items, too, and kind of a monster map, so I'm surprised we got all of them. Good gravy. 28 minutes? Are you kidding me? I knew that was going to be a 20-minute map, but I didn't realize it was going to be nearly 30. That map is gigantic. I guess talking my way through stuff probably does add some time, but even then, man, that thing is a trek. I am glad to have that one done, even though I like the map. It's actually kind of fun. You feel like when you finish it, you actually feel like you've kind of been on like a grand adventure. It's got that kind of feel to it with all the different, the tech-based start area, then like the cave kind of area, and then the giant sprawling outdoor area. It's got a lot going on. It's kind of a neat map, really. But I'm glad to have it done, and I'm glad to have 100%ed all 3 categories, so I do not have to return to it. So, map 20 is down. Let's see what's up next. Administration Center.